Once again, let's talk about Terra Classic LLC. Some top holders of Terra Classic have now started selling off, swapping Terra Classic to other crypto coins. Some top holders have now given up on Terra Classic, and this is not a good news for Terra Classic LLC. And I think more will be coming. You see more sales, more drops will be coming within the next few months. Okay, I still have a strong feeling that I don't think Terra Classic in the next 2 years might be able to reach where they plan to reach. I don't think it will work. For me, I think maybe what so most people are waiting for now, maybe to see if Luna can just reach at least 300, 200 or 400%, maximum 500% target. That's why some people are still holding that coin to see if it can reach 500% target. Well, apart from that, today Terra Classic is losing almost 2%. Yes, almost 2%, and the market volume is about $13 million. Okay, $13 million trading volume. Wow. As of last month, by this time last month, the market volume was actually trading between 66 to $78 million trading volume as of this time last month, that is in July. But as of August, we are having a trading volume of $13 million, which means a lot have really happened. So for me, let's wait and see how it goes. But for Bitcoin, BTC has been struggling to cross the $29,000 price since the past few weeks. BTC have been struggling to cross the 29,000, and I hope before the end of the month, BTC can hit at least 33 or 36,000 price mark. Even though if BTC can hit 36,000 or 35,000 mark, it will help most coins to at least try and bounce back, including Terra Classic. But let's hope and see how it goes. And Ethereum itself have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB. These three coins have been trading almost at the same rate. But for especially Bitcoin is testing a level where I know once it crosses this level, according to technical analysis, then I believe BTC might be heading towards $31,000. And so before the end of the month, we might see BTC at 31 or 32,000. But if everything goes well for Bitcoin, then Bitcoin might hit $36,000. That will also push Terra Classic coin to gain a little rise in price. Maybe they might start from there, keep on rising, or maybe after this month or next month, then we'll know the fate of Terra Classic LLC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Kindly subscribe to our channel, as we'll be bringing on different kinds of videos on how to make money online. Yes, we'll be publishing different kinds of videos of how to make money online. So please subscribe to the notification in order not to miss our upcoming videos.